How to enable one-handed mode on Android. So for that purpose, you're going to head over to user-friendly settings. And from here, we're going to head over to advanced features or gestures to be enabling our one-handed mode. It's going to be different on each Android depending on whichever it is, but it's going to look like either advanced features or gestures. You just have to head over to that, search it, enable those, and swipe down onto the home button to activate it. Let me search the app real quick. Gestures. There's none, so we're gonna look for advanced features. This is gonna be a very practical feature for users with larger Android devices because one-handed mode is pretty user-friendly. And so let's go with it. One-handed mode. Right here, this is an app. I'm gonna click on it and you can see it's already enabled on my settings, so it just opened up into the storage and cache and removing if it's there or not. I'll have to force stop it. It's already enabled on my phone, but if it's not enabled, you can either search it as advanced features or gestures or one-handed mode. Swipe down onto the home button to activate it. This is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.